about 40 minutes to departure. I don't know why we brought out this. Guys, call me Dr. Kelechi. Good morning. This is like, I feel like I look so beat up. I'm so tired. I'm currently at the airport now. We're traveling to San Francisco for 4 days. The last couple of days has been a hassle, but hopefully we get time to kind of sleep and rest. But yeah, this is what I have with me, guys. This is the first time I'm traveling with just one carry-on, and I feel proud. I feel like now that we've done it, we could do anything. But yeah, I'll kind of catch you guys up when we get there. I just changed my lens so that way I can get a wider view. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. This one is the 11mm lens. Anytime I'm filming content, I feel like I just start getting technical. But yeah, we are about 40 minutes to departure. We're going to start leaving very soon. Oh, I see people doing this with their microphone. They put it in their cap and they talk. This is so weird. Hello. Cannot be me. Hell no. But yeah. I'm looking at myself in the viewfinder and I look stressed. I look so stressed. I didn't even do my nails. But yeah, I'm tired. I'm hungry and I'm sleepy. 3 of the worst combos. We just got to San Francisco and I slept all through the flight. I can't even lie. I just gave in and I slept. We're trying to get our Uber to the hotel so that I can sleep more. So we just got to the hotel now. I feel like my energy is so low, but it's currently 2:20. I want to see if I can do like a 10 minutes makeup, actually like 20 minutes makeup, and be ready before 3 p.m. so we can like explore and go out. I have my makeup bag right here. This is what I've been using anytime I travel. This one is from Amazon. I like that it has like compartments for brushes. I can keep like my sponge, blending sponge, and also like compartments as well where I can keep like my wipes, my skincare and all that. And in here I just threw in all my makeup, and then I have a brush for my hair. So I packed kind of lean. I'm gonna start. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I think I'm gonna do something breathable. Like, I look tired. I look so tired. And that's literally how I feel inside. So I'm gonna do my makeup. Hey guys, so I'm all set. I did my makeup. This is what we look like. I don't know why I feel funny. I feel like my face is, I don't know. So we're on our way to the bridge. I don't know what it's called, but hubby is always the one doing the itinerary, I guess. And yeah, it's so warm here. I don't know why I even brought out this trench coat, but so today we're behaving like tourists. We're at the Palace of Fine Arts. Look at how gorgeous this is. I want to take pictures. Ugh. What's in my jacket? I feel like standing. I'm gonna drop you guys here so that way I can kind of take pictures, but let me hide this microphone so that nobody sees it. Now it's scanty. I'll try sitting down here just to see. Oh, I want to get married again. So we just spent the last hour like exploring here. It is so beautiful. Like I even want to sit down and record like all through. But our Uber is here. We want to go grab something to eat. Want to go have dinner. And yeah, this was definitely a fun experience. But your girl is tired. To my face.
How you doing?
Good morning, guys. This is another day and the girl is ready. My husband has a graduation award ceremony, which is probably why we came to San Francisco. I'm kind of ready right now. He's ready. It took me a while to get ready. Last night, I don't know what happened to the both of us, but we came back by about 7:30 and we just passed out. I didn't clean off my makeup. I didn't take off my dress. We literally just slept. I was sleeping in the cab on the taxi in the Uber on our way here, on our way back to the hotel yesterday. And I just got back and it was like I was just seeing double. Mind you, I think we're just exhausted. And then we woke up this morning, we woke up by 7, started getting ready. And now we are ready, or I am ready. This is what I'm wearing. I don't know if you guys probably wouldn't see the full outfit. Dress is from Zara. I'm gonna pair it up with these shoes from Fendi. I've never worn these shoes, so this is gonna, oh actually I have worn the shoes. This is gonna be my second time wearing this, so yeah. I'm carrying like 3 cameras. I'm carrying this one, I'm carrying my main camera that I want to use to take pictures. I'm carrying 2 lenses, and I might also carry my DJI. I don't know how I want to style this hair. I like it like this, but then I feel like if I take it all up and do like the classic messy bun look, I feel like it would just look more formal, if that makes sense. I need a second opinion. So yeah, so it's either I do it this way and like mess it up a little bit. I actually like this. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do it this way. I don't know, but then this is another vibe. This is another vibe on its own. Yeah, I think I'll just leave it like this. Yeah. Put on my gloss, spray some perfume, and I'm ready. And we're done. I feel like my energy is still very low. Jesus. And we're good. This bag is so full because I have all my gears in here. I feel like this camera sometimes be acting funny. Sometimes the focus is off, sometimes it works. But we're ready and we're leaving now. Guys, call me Dr. Kelechi. Why does this look so good on me?
I'm grateful to the organizers.
So they delayed our flight for another 30 minutes. We just grabbed something to eat quickly. We'll soon be leaving now. It's a 4-hour flight. We spent 4 days in San Francisco and in Houston. So